Uh, Good morning, everyone. It's October 28th, about 6 a.m. And the power went out last night. Had a little bit of rain off and on. Now it's getting to be more of a steady rain and steady wind. Uh, Kind of windy for the storm is actually like 300 and some kilometers away or more. So it's a big storm, but we're getting lots of wind and rain. It's supposed to be moving north towards Luzon. It'll probably be a rainy day all day today. Some lightning going on here and there too. Anyway, check back in later.